For the first time, China has overtaken the United States as the #1 ranked country for contributions to research articles published in the Nature Index group of high-quality natural science journals. Data on author affiliations from the 82 journals tracked by the Nature Index show that China had a share of 19,373 from January to December 2022, compared with 17,610 for the United States. A country's share takes into account the percentage of authors from that nation on each paper published in Nature Index journals. An article published entirely by China-based researchers would yield a share of 1 for China. In an exclusive interview with Xinhua, Frank Rankin-Peters, CEO of Springer Nature Group, stated that China is increasingly standing out in both the quantity and quality of its scientific research.
I think primarily as a result of the fact that China has invested more money in research and development, and we, as one of the leading research publishers, have seen that as well. Just an example, I think somewhere early 80s, I think less than 1% of the articles in our Nature portfolio were from China, and today it's more than 15%. But also if you look at other things, like for instance the Nature Index, you can see that China, not only in terms of quantity, but actually also in terms of quality, has really stepped up its game. Well, China, is extremely important to us, but also if you look at our editors and authors, they're increasingly coming from China. We're looking to find also the right peer reviewers in China. I think by working together, I think we will raise to new heights. I think we've done extremely well in China, and I think we're, let's say, bullish about the future of China going forward.